Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. I'm adding another vehicle to our YouTube page. This is a 2015 Chevy 2500 two-wheel drive Duramax. 66,000 miles. Clean truck. All I'm going to say is clean. While we're doing the video on it to try to push, get some more content out there on it. I don't know why this truck is still here. Um, it is a really, really nice truck. I did all the DEF system, not all the DEF system, but a lot of the DEF system on it has been serviced up to par, brand new. All GM parts. So if you want more details on that, please ask about that whenever you call us. Johnny and I are going to go over some really nice things on this thing. 2500 series, again, real nice. It's got some, because it's a 15, it's going to have a few nicks on it, but no dents, no dings, no scratches. Just some slight blemishes that are on it. Tow prep ready. Tow prep group from GM is in the dash. Got Bluetooth. Goodyear Wrangler tires are on it. Bed is in really, really good, nice shape. Thank you. Again. You too. Had to get the mail from the mailman. Get side impact airbags, head blocker airbags. So I get that frame real quick. Let's show this up. Get down here in this stuff here. One owner, clean Carfax, rust-free unit. Okay, questions about this unit, please give me a call. My name is Nick Watson at Joseph Motors, 919-661-2886. If I'm not here, ask for Johnny. He's on the other side of the camera there. Hit us up on our website, josephmotorsnc.com. Sorry, the mailman dropped off the mail, so I had to grab it. But we look forward to your call. Have a great day. See you later.